So I've cut all bits off. I've cut all edges off to make them nice. They do look a lot better. So they've all gone. Don't need them anymore. Is it still on there? And they've had a bit more work. I worked them last night while I was sat playing on YouTube. Much softer now. Now they need smoke.
Go away, midges.
Oh, they will in a minute. When I light this up. Only thing with this stove at the minute, it's a bit low down.
To make some longer legs.
Been thinking about that. It's mad how it works. Without that on, smoke comes out the front. You need exhaust at chimney to make it work. Do you like them, Mel?
Yeah. Let's have a sprinkle of squirrel.
Soft now, aren't they?
So when you burn them, then do you put them
We're
on
not
top?
burning them.
I know, but when you put them on, make them yellow. Do you put them on there?
Yeah, put them in chimney to smoke them.
But how do we get up there?
I just take chimney down. Dangle them in end. And then they get smoked. But we use that sawdust in here. That's what I cut that piece of oak for. We're going to smoke them with that. Don't actually use fire. We're going to smoke these squirrel skins. I used pine to smoke some others. And I used pine chippings like this that I cut. And what happened, it worked, but pine's got a lot of resin in it and it made it sticky. Not sticky, but you could tell. So today I've cut some more. I've cut an old little log. See it? I've just cut it ends off it to get the sawdust. And that's what I've got in that kiddie's wheelbarrow there. And that's what we're going to smoke these with. You can see that it's not cardboard like at all, but it does need preserving. And that's what this oak smoke's going to do to it. Because if they get wet again, it's easier to just work them back into shape when they've been smoked. If they get wet now, they're just going to go back to cardboard. You know, tough raw-hide skin. So this is some of the tools I've used today. A Gransfors small forest axe. My knife. I don't know if you can read what it says on it. Probably not. It's A-Writer, Sun Limited Sheffield. Nice, single bevel. Quality knife. Good friend bought me that. Very nice. Use chainsaw, that's how I've got my wood chipping. Just cut it with chainsaw. Simple as. And then we've got wood burning down to make some embers to put a smoke on, to put us oak chippings on. Not actually just flame, just the smoke off them. We don't want it hot. If it's hot, it'll burn the skin. But it's cooking good, that. So it's starting to rain as well. Oh well. Right, so what I've done is I've just pinned the skin to two kitchen roll tubes, and then all I do is I hang them in the exhaust of the stove to smoke. That's how I've got it going. So you see, I put the oak chippings over the top of the embers. It just produces a lot of smoke. Hopefully not too much heat, else it'll burn it. We'll check it in 5 minutes. Right, I've had it in the smoker about 10 minutes. I don't know if you can see the difference on camera, but alright, it's yellow. That pepper. You see the difference? Time for other one. Well, I've got the other one smoking in there, if you can see it on camera. It's in there, smoking away. I've got that long chimney on so it doesn't get too hot and burn it. That's the idea. You see, I've not got any fire, it's just smouldy. Any red bits pop up, I just put a sprinkle of oak sawdust on them. And it should do again. The fur now, fantastic, isn't it? It's a bit bright on here, but you see it's soft. There's no cardboardness to it anymore. It feels soft. You certainly won't mind that up against your skin. And this side, lovely. And it's got a nice smell to it. Oak's definitely the wood. I'll compare these to a commercial leather, commercially tanned leather in a bit. We'll see. This feels about the same to me. Anyway.